People are now trusting robots to do hair transplants.
Isn't that kind of wild, though?
Yeah, that's crazy. This is like a full-on CNC, like, robot arm. So today I've come to We Grow Hair Indy in Indianapolis, Indiana. To find out if a robotic hair transplant is the future or just an expensive gimmick. Morning.
Back here.
Okay. So I'm here with Nate at We Grow Hair Indy, and we're talking about the benefit over getting it done with the robot versus not getting it done with the robot.
So the biggest benefit of the robotic system is it removes the human error portion of a hair transplant, right? So anytime you have a procedure, whether it's a linear extraction, it's a follicular unit extraction, if it's done manually, there's always a chance of human error, right? I mean, you take too many grafts from a certain area,
Right.
And it always exists with any surgery, really. With the robot, it just takes that potential out. So it maps the donor area in a way where, based on the density of an area, we get a real-time feed of the follicles per square centimeter.
Oh, nice.
And it tells us, I mean, it gives us a recommendation, like it's telling us, like, this is a good candidate for your next extraction.
Wow.
Right?
Nice.
These are follicles that we've extracted. This is where the robot is getting ready to punch, and then this is a good candidate. Now, the robot doesn't act independently. We have to approve everything. But essentially, in a nutshell, what this does is it minimizes human error, which the human error of a follicular unit extraction is you take too much from an area and you have a thin patch. Right? The main benefit of a follicular unit extraction is not hair counts, it's not density, it's a minimal surgical impact in the donor area.
Okay.
Right. So if you take too many follicles and you have some thinning or some noticeable scarring with an FUE, it's kind of an ultimate failure in hair transplanting because it's a technique that you really only do because you want to minimize that. Right. So at a cost of less hair and less density, the hope is that the patient has no noticeable scarring. The robot just makes that process seamless, I would say.
Right.
Okay.
There's
There's nothing wrong with manual extractions. We do offer them here. You got to have a good surgeon, and it's the robot just gives a certain patient peace of mind. That I know that I'm going to get the extraction that I want. I know that I'm going to have a seamless surgical remnant in the donor area. But that's not to say that manual options aren't good options as well.
So here you can see I'm actually in the surgery center where they do the transplants, and I'm trying to be quiet and respectful for other people getting surgery, but you can see the robot goes into a calibration mode, and that's what all those little black squares are. And what it does after it calibrates is it actually does punches. So it does the punches in the simulation to make sure it's calibrated correctly before they start doing the surgery. It's really, really crazy. This thing is actually a CNC machine robot arm. I just think it's kind of crazy that this type of industrial CNC mechanical equipment is now being used for cosmetics. Here I'm moving on to some footage they gave me of an actual client getting the ARTAS robot procedure. And as you can see, it maps out where it's going to take the hairs first. And then you can see they actually go right in and the thing starts punching and taking the hairs out, and the doctor's removing the hairs as it's taken out. It looks pretty precise. So what do you think? Would you trust an actual robot to do your hair transplant? Let me know in the comments below. As for my opinion, to be honest, I was so impressed with this, I actually ended up having them do a hair transplant on me. It went nice and smooth, no issues for me. If you want to see how it turns out, follow the channel. Check back in a year from now. I'm going to post another video when the hair is fully grown out. And I appreciate all the likes and follows and support. I know this is outside what I usually do on my channel, but it is a robot, and I thought it was pretty cool. And I thought it was pretty cool that you don't have to travel to Turkey to get this type of technology. And I figured you guys might enjoy seeing it. Some of you might be in the same situation as me with your hair loss. If you are, check out these guys. They're great. They're in Indianapolis, Indiana. They're called We Grow Hair Indy. I'll leave a link in my description below with their website. Thanks again. See you on the next one.